Hi, welcome to Coding Bible channel. In this video, I will talk about attribute binding. Maybe you are saying that you are repeating videos because attribute is the same as property, and we will write the name of the property or attribute between the square brackets, bind it to the variable, and that's it. No, I am not repeating videos because attribute is not the same as property. They are two different things, and I will explain the difference in the video number 5 in the appendix in this playlist. But in this video I will show you that there is a difference between attribute and property. Suppose that we need to write a new attribute called active, and we need to bind it to the variable x. As you can see, there is an error, and this error is saying that can't bind it to active since it isn't a known property of button. This means that active is not a property. For example, if we write here name and we bind it to the same variable x, it will not show error because name is a known property, is a property, but active is attribute. This explains that there is a big difference between attribute and a property. So now how we can bind this new attribute to the variable x. We will write attr, which stands for attribute, of course. Okay, and as you can see, the error is gone. Let's save. As you can see, active here is true. And also you can use interpolation here and it will be the same. And now let me ask you a question. If we return back to the square brackets, so my question is, if we click this button and the active will be false here, or the value of the active attribute will be false, will Angular remove the attribute active if the value is false or not? My answer is no. Let's see it. As you can see, active is still here. This may be confusing for you because when we try to bind disable the property with a variable or boolean variable that holds true or false, and if the value is true, Angular will add disable to the HTML tag, and if it is not or if it's false, Angular will remove it from the HTML tag. And this is not the same here because Angular knows the expected behavior from properties like disabled or required or checked. But Angular doesn't know what you expect from active. Angular doesn't know if you need to remove this new attribute or not if the value is false, because he doesn't know, he will not remove it. This is the difference between using Boolean variables in case of unknown attributes or unknown properties. Also, this means that we can use interpolation freely in these attributes or these unknown attributes. And this is the end of the video, and if you have any question, just tell us, and thank you for watching.